This is lesson 8-3, more multiplication properties with exponents.
Raising a power to another power rule involves this. Think about this. If we use our normal multiplication rule, 2 to the third power raised to the third power should be 2 to the third power times 2 to the third power times 2 to the third power. Using our multiplication rule, it should be then 2 to the ninth. But there could be a quicker way. Here's the shortcut. When a term with an exponent is raised to another power, multiply the exponents together. The formal definition for every non-zero number a, where m and n are rational numbers, a raised to the m power that's raised to the n power is equal to a raised to the m times n power. Raising a product to a power becomes slightly more difficult. To raise a product to a power, raise each of the factors to a power and multiply. The formal definition is for all non-zero numbers a and b, where n is a rational number, the quantity ab raised to the n power is equal to a to the n power times b to the n power. In essence, you're kind of distributing the exponent. Here's an example. Remember that any time you have a numerical output, you must evaluate that numerical term. Here are some examples. Pause the video at this point to give yourself a chance to do the examples on your own. Here are your answers. The first one is x to the 12th because 3 times 4 is 12. The second one is x raised to the 2y power because 2 times y is 2y. The third one is 343 m to the 27th. 7 to the third power is 343. M to the ninth raised to the third power is m to the 27th when we multiply the exponents together. The last one we'll do in steps because it's a little more difficult. So the first thing I want to do is take the n to the 1/2 power and raise that to the 10th power. That gives me n to the 5th. Then I take the power of 3 on the other one and distribute it all the way throughout. So I have 4 to the third power, m to the third power, n to the negative second power. Then simplifying that gives me 4 to the third power, which is 64, m to the third power, and n to the third power when I add the exponents, 5 and negative 2. If you're having issues with this lesson, please consult your teacher inside of class.